Welcome back to the Chill Knots podcast.
Today, we're talking about how to regain your focus in the middle of chaos. You know that feeling. Endless notifications, deadlines breathing down your neck, and suddenly your brain decides it's the perfect time to do the laundry or scroll through TikTok. But here's the good news. You don't have to fight your brain. You just need the right tools to guide it. We'll go through 3 super simple hacks you can try today. So grab your headphones, let the Lofi vibes guide you, and let's dive in.
Tip 1. The Pomodoro Technique. Picture this. You finally sit down to get work done, but suddenly your brain is like, let's plan a vacation. Let's reorganize the sock drawer. Let's send memes to friends. Yep, been there. But there's a trick to save you. The Pomodoro Technique. And no, it's not about pasta sauce. It was invented in the late 1980s by Francesco Cirillo, a student in Italy. He used a tomato-shaped kitchen timer. That's where the name Pomodoro comes from. Here's how it works. Pick one task. Just one, no multitasking. Set a timer for 25 minutes. During that time, no scrolling, no distractions. When the timer rings, take a 5-minute break. Stretch, grab water, or just look out the window. Repeat this cycle 4 times. Then reward yourself with a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. These short sprints turn overwhelming tasks into manageable chunks. And those mini breaks, they refresh your brain so you don't burn out. It's like turning your to-do list into a game you can actually win. Researchers at the University of Illinois found that brief mental breaks actually prevent fatigue. Your brain stops tuning out the task, so when you return, your focus is sharper. Tip 2. Prioritize in 3 levels. Pomodoros keep your energy up, but there's another challenge. What do you actually focus on? Because staring at a to-do list with 20 things can paralyze anyone. Here's a hack: 3-level prioritization. Critical. Must be done today. No excuses. Important. Adds value, but can wait a little. Optional. Do these only if you have extra time. This is inspired by the Eisenhower matrix, which sorts tasks by urgency and importance. Studies in task management show this approach lowers stress and improves follow-through, because your brain stops treating everything like a crisis. Breaking things down this way keeps you from feeling buried under a mountain of everything matters. Spoiler, not everything does. And here's the kicker. Every time you check off a critical or important task, your brain gives you a little dopamine hit. That small rush of accomplishment actually keeps you motivated to tackle the next one. Tip 3. 2-minute micro meditations.
The last hack may sound tiny, but it's surprisingly powerful. 2-minute micro meditations. And no, you don't need candles, monks, or incense. Just 2 minutes of breathing and awareness before you start a task. Research from Harvard and Yale shows that even short meditations reduce activity in the brain's default mode network. That's the system responsible for mind wandering. So just a couple minutes can shift you from daydreaming into deep focus. Let's try it together, right here, right now. Close your eyes. Inhale through your nose for a slow count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for a moment. Exhale gently through your mouth to a slow count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Try it one more time.
When you open your eyes, notice how even 2 minutes feels like a reset button. You can do this before starting work, before a meeting, or even while waiting for a file to load on your computer. It's free, quick, and instantly grounding.
And that's it for today. 3 simple hacks to help you regain your focus. And hey, don't forget the music. If you need energy, turn to Blaze. If you want deep concentration, Theo has your back. If calm is your vibe, Zenji's your match. And if you just want good energy, Lumi's always there. Whatever your mood, there's a lo-fi beat to guide you. Thanks for tuning in. Hit subscribe so you've always got your go-to vibes and productivity hacks ready for the next session. Until next time, stay focused, stay chill, and keep riding the flow.